Hi. All right. I want to take a moment to show you how to use Handbrake. It's really an easy program. It's simple to use. And you want to use this program if you have a video that's so big that you want to make smaller for use on the web, for, say, social media, if it's on Facebook or YouTube. Well, not really YouTube, because YouTube can compress it itself when you upload it. But if you want to upload it to Twitter or Instagram, things like that. So what you do first is you go to the icon and you open that up. You could use a full folder if you wanted to, but for an example, I'm just going to show one file being uploaded here. All right, now I've got this open here, but let's say you wanted to take it over to the web. You would want to use a preset. That's this area right here. The web, and then go down to Vimeo, YouTube, HQ, 1080p, 60. That selection right there. Perfect. Now, really, you're ready to go. All you have to do is just name the file. Okay. Now, you may have noticed that I just recently typed out ICO captioned. This video that I just uploaded is not captioned, but I do want to show you an example of how to add captions. If you don't want to add captions, you can just hit start encode, and then you're good to go. Once it's done, you're done. But I wanted to show you how to add captions. You are required to have an SRT file. This is foreign audio scan. Don't worry about that. Let's X out of that. All right. Now we'll upload our own. I have an SRT file saved already. And it's important to include burn in. See that? Check mark that. And then you're ready to go. Start encode. Now, this video I made a while ago, it's very short, so this will go through really fast. Now, if it was a longer video, it would actually take a longer time to process. Just let you know. It's ready.
Where do you take someone who's been injured in a peekaboo accident? To the ICU.